This video is going to show you an easy way to export faces as SVG files to get them prepared for laser cutting in Fusion. I'm Mr. Pratt and I've been teaching robotics to students for over 10 years now. So to be able to export SVG files, we have to import a new utility. So I'm going to come up utilities here. I'm going to add-ins and I'm going to select the Fusion App Store. Once we open up the Fusion App Store, I can search for Shaper Origin. Grab this Shaper Utilities tool. Select the correct operating system. In my case, it's Mac. And I'm going to download it and install this DMG file. Make sure that Fusion is closed when you install it, so when you reopen it, you'll be able to actually use this underneath this Utilities tab. You'll be able to actually grab this Export Origin. So the Export Origin basically allows us to grab a face and export it as an SVG. So I can select this Export Origin. Input type is faces. Select this main face here. Select OK. And we'll call this one box side 1. We'll do the same thing with the other side of it. We're going to call this one box side 2. And then we need to do the bottom of the box. We're going to say box bottom. Box bottom. Now we've got our 3 sides set up, I can go ahead and open up my laser cutting program. In my case, I'm using Adobe Illustrator. And then in order to import an SVG, I can simply go File, Place, or Command-Shift-P. Go ahead and select our SVGs, place them in, and we've got a nice 1-to-1 scale model for our piece. Now, if you remember these 2 sides, we actually need 2 copies of each in order to finish off our box. So I can get these nice and tight, and now these are ready for laser cutting. So I hope you found that tutorial helpful, and best of luck on your laser cut project.